Hey guys, today's video is gonna be about this guy here, the loquat, subtropical, and one of the ideal fruit trees to grow in the temperate climate, such as Melbourne, Sydney, Adelaide. And I just want to show you guys how easy it is to grow this tree. What you're seeing here is a seedling, and it grew on its own. These are all volunteers that I'm going to be filming today. Volunteer loquat seedlings that I did not plant. These came from seeds that were either spat out from fruit that was eaten, or pooed out from birds. So let's go and see how easy it is to grow the loquat in temperate climates. So that's the most obvious one, and here you can see next to it another one. Look at that. And right next to that are a couple more. I'll eventually end up pulling these out, but I just left them there knowing that it would be handy for a video. Here's another one. Here's another one. Another one back there. Another one here. Another one there. Here's a couple more here that grew in this Italian basil in a pot. Just found their way in there. And even down below the pot. Look at that. So the reason I'm showing you guys this particular one is because it's quite evident that it just self germinates, and you can start with this one because this is one of those no-brainers. So if you've had bad luck with growing tropical fruit in cold temperate climates, start with this one, the loquat. You can't go wrong. And this is what you'll end up with in only 3 to 4 years. This is grown from a seed. I grew this from a seed. I had it in a pot for about a year, and after 1 year in a pot, I put it here in the ground, and now it's over 2.5 meters high and 3 meters wide, and it's winter time now, and the first fruits have already formed. It's been flowering for a couple of months. Here you go, fruit already. This fruit will be ready in spring, around October, November. So the fruit is already forming for spring. It's that easy, guys. Anyone can do this. Look at that. These are all early fruits that are forming in winter. Look at that. So the no-brainer for even the most amateur of gardeners to start with is this one, the loquat.